Hi and welcome. My name's Miguel from WBS Coding School. I'm one of the community managers, and today I want to take you through the process and the exciting sort of backstory of what it's like to be part of the WBS Coding School Bootcamp. And today I've got a very special guest with me. Would you like to introduce yourself and just tell us what it is that you did here at WBS Coding School over the last 15 weeks?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Daniel Cascales. I've taken the Digital Product Design Bootcamp, UX UI Product Design Bootcamp. And previously I used to be an industrial designer, and I decided to go through this path to be able to get to new horizons that interest me, especially in the area of automotive design.
So maybe just show us exactly what it is that at the end of your course, when it came down to doing the project, what you decided to do, why you decided to do it, and what it looks like.
The story of this product starts with a quest. So for over 7 years, I've been trying to retake salsa dancing since I took that in my Erasmus year, and I absolutely loved it. Now, when I moved back to Germany, right over here, in Heidelberg, I had no idea where I could be doing that. And I didn't mean doing classes. I know where to take classes in salsa. I meant more going to a bar and just joining with other people that just go there. So after lots of years, I ended up finding out that there is such a place in Heidelberg, and it is here. It's less than 10 minutes away from my place. And I didn't have a clue about it. I know. But apparently I'm not alone. 86% of people often miss things they would have liked to attend. And 9 out of 10 don't go to enough events according to their own standards. Mainly because they don't know what goes on around them. Introduce then leisure. Find plans, events, and activities to do near you. What is leisure not about? So basically, leisure is not about all those events that don't need any more promotion, like big concerts, festivals, getting tickets for the cinema, restaurant menus. For everything else, there's leisure. Now, on to the features. I'm going to quickly glance through them. There's 3 main ones: plans and events tailored for the user, search plan, and twin souls. So if we delve into them, in home, here we can see that Andre, our user, has already got his app figured out. He's going through some events, through the trending carousel, and we can see that some of the events only happen one day, some of them are temporary, and some of them are permanent, and the app is going to behave differently depending on that. There's also differences in prices over there, and some filters that we can apply so that the results are more meaningful. Now, we can also filter by a day or a weekend or a whole month. Now, if we go into one of the events, we come here, we can, of course, toggle through the images. And we can see over here that we have a free event, but we can tap there to go to their website and reserve seats. We can follow the organizer, we can see all the information relevant for this event, and we can see also other events by the same organizer. Now, if we find it interesting enough, we can be reminded of the event. And of course, we could be canceling it just like that. And this is how an event, a reminder, would look like. It's happening today, so the reminder has already popped up. Now, what happens if we have an event coming up, but we also set up a reminder for an event that has already happened? Then the app asks you to review it. Basically, if we have some feedback about what you loved, liked, didn't like, or didn't go, we can see what else we can offer you that might interest you. It would also come into play for the third feature. We'll explain about that. Now, if we only have a vague idea of what we fancy, we can also search plan by basically mood, so to speak. We have loads of categories. In this case, for the sake of the argument, let's go into adrenaline rush, and we see that we have more filters. So, for example, only indoors adrenalinic things. But in this case, let's just filter it by location, by specific month, only afternoon and evening, and up to 30 euros. And if we apply the filters, we can see them there, we can cancel them individually, and we can see we only have 3 results. So we've broken down the results to something manageable. Now, the third feature is twin solves. So basically, you can discover new things through similar-minded people, and you can also discover organizers that fit your taste. So through the feedback, you can have affinity with different users. There's also organizers that might be similar to the ones that you already like. So if we go into Camila, let's say, we can see everything that she loves, likes, or dislikes. And we can also see that in this case, she's turned off the privacy function for the organizers because she doesn't want other people to see them. But through her, we can see that if she loved an event, we might love it as well, or at least like it, so we can discover new things. Well, that's been everything for now. I've been Daniel Cascales. Thank you for listening.
That's absolutely amazing, and it makes great sense, actually. So, I really wish you all the best. And I just wanted to thank you again for taking the time to be here with me, to share your project and also your passion with us. So from here on, we wish you the best. I'm looking forward to the journey, and thank you very much. Catch you later, Danny.
Thank you very much, Miguel.